Finding the dog.
Wait, did you hear that sound?
What sound? I didn't hear it.
Listen, there it is again.
You're right. It's over there.
Oh no, look, a dog.
He looks hurt. His leg is bleeding.
Poor dog, he is so scared.
Be careful. Go slowly.
I will. Hey, buddy, it's okay.
He is shaking a lot.
Does he have a collar?
No collar, no tag, nothing.
So he has no home?
Maybe, or maybe he is lost.
We can't leave him here.
I know, but what can we do?
We need to help him.
His leg looks very bad.
We need a vet quickly.
Do you have something to wrap it?
Yes, I have my scarf.
Good. Go slowly. Talk to him.
It's okay, buddy. We're here.
Good boy. Stay still, please.
He let me touch him.
Good boy. Stay still, please.
He let me touch him.
He trusts you already.
We need a safe place for him.
My car is near here.
Good. Can you carry him?
Yes. Come here, buddy. I've got you.
Easy, easy. You're okay now.
He's very light. Too light.
That worries me a lot.
Let's go to the vet now.
Thank you for stopping, James.
Of course, we had to help him.
Deciding to help.
James, can we talk?
Sure. What is it, Sarah?
I keep thinking about that dog.
Me too. I can't stop.
Should we keep him?
Keep him? You mean forever?
Yes, he needs a home.
That's a big decision, Sarah.
I know, but his eyes were so sad.
They really were sad.
He needs us, I'm sure.
What about our apartment? Are dogs allowed?
I don't know. Let's check.
Vet bills are also expensive.
I know, but we can manage.
Can we really manage this?
Yes, I think we can.
We both work full-time.
We can make a new plan.
True. Other people do this too.
Exactly. We just need a routine.
Okay. I'm not saying no.
That's good to hear.
This is a long commitment.
I understand that fully.
What if he has an owner?
We will check first.
Good. Posters and the vet clinic.
Yes, if nobody comes, he's ours.
I like that plan, Sarah.
So you're saying yes?
I'm saying let's try this.
That's good enough for me.
He's already in my heart.
Mine too. Let's go to the vet.
The emergency vet visit.
Excuse me, we found this dog.
His leg is bleeding badly.
Can someone help him now?
It's an emergency. Please hurry.
Of course, I will get the vet.
Thank you so much for this.
It's okay, buddy. They will help.
Stay calm. We are here.
The vet is coming now.
Good. I hope it's not too bad.
Hello. Thank you for bringing him in.
We found him on the street.
Let me look at his leg.
Is it broken? Do you know?
It's a deep cut, not broken.
Oh, that's good news.
He is also too thin.
Can you help him today?
Yes, we will clean his leg.
Thank you. How long will it take?
A few hours. He needs rest.
Can we stay with him?
Yes, of course you can.
We will. Does he have an owner?
Let me check. No, no tag.
So nobody is looking for him.
Not that we can see.
We want to keep him then.
That's wonderful. He needs a home. How much does this cost today? About $200 total.
That's fine. Please help him.
Okay, let's start right now.
telling the landlord.
Hi, Mr. Patel. Can I ask something?
Of course, Sarah. What is it?
We found a dog yesterday.
Oh, is he okay now?
Yes, much better. We went to the vet.
That's very kind of you.
Thank you. We want to keep him.
I see. We have building rules.
I know. That's why I'm asking.
Is the dog big or small?
Medium size, not too big.
Does he bark a lot?
No, he's very quiet, actually.
Good. Noise is my biggest worry.
I understand. We will train him.
Is he good with people?
He's gentle, a little scared still.
That makes sense after his accident.
Yes, he just needs time.
There is a pet deposit.
Okay, how much is it?
$200. You get it back.
That sounds fair to us.
Please keep him on a leash.
Of course, we always will.
Then there's no problem at all.
Really? Thank you, Mr. Patel.
You're welcome. This is very kind of you.
We couldn't leave him there.
That says a lot about you.
Thank you. We'll bring the deposit tomorrow.
Good luck with your new dog.
The dog settling in, scared.
Look, he won't come out.
He's been under there for hours.
Should we make him come out?
No, that's not a good idea.
You're right. Let's let him decide.
New places are scary for him.
I want him to feel safe.
He will. It just needs time.
Should we put food near him?
Yes, let's not stand too close.
Okay, I'll put it down gently.
Good. Now let's sit quietly.
Look, he's smelling the food.
Yes, he's coming to the bowl.
Don't move, just watch him.
He's eating. He's really eating.
This is such a good sign.
It is. He trusts this place now.
What should we name him?
Something gentle. Something that fits.
I like Rocky, strong and sweet.
I really like that name too.
Rocky, do you like it, buddy?
Look, his tail moved a little.
Did you see that? He liked it.
That's his first happy moment.
I hope there are many more.
There will be. We will make sure.
Thank you for being patient.
Thank you. He needs all our patience now.
The funny first bath.
Okay, Rocky, bath time now.
I don't think he understands that.
Let's just try gently.
I'll hold him. You add water.
Careful, not too cold for him.
It feels warm enough now.
Okay, Rocky, just a little water.
He's not moving. That's good.
Wait, why is he shaking?
I think he's just nervous.
Ah, poor dog. This is all new.
Talk to him. Your voice helps.
It's okay, Rocky. Almost done.
Watch out. He's about to shake.
I'm completely wet now.
Me too. He got us both.
This is so funny. Look at him.
Grinning, he looks happy with himself.
Dogs can't smile, James, but maybe.
Let's get the towel quickly.
Rocky, wait. Come back here.
He's running everywhere now.
This is crazy, but I love it.
Softly, affectionately. Me too. This feels like home.
Got him. Let's dry you off.
His fur is so soft now.
Smiling. He smells much better, too.
That was a fun adventure.
Worth it. Look at him now.
He looks happy and relaxed.
With a chuckle, best bath disaster ever, honestly.
Same here. Let's do it again.
A small health scare.
James, come quick. Something's wrong.
What's happening? Is he hurt?
He's not eating. He's just lying down.
Since when? How long now?
Since this morning, no food at all.
Is he drinking water at least?
A little. Not much, though.
Let's call the vet now.
Yes, please. Let's not wait.
Hello? Our dog isn't eating today.
He's also very tired and quiet.
Okay, we will bring him in.
Thank you. Let's go, James.
I'm getting the keys. Get his leash.
Softly, choked up. Rocky, come on, buddy. Let's go.
He's so weak. Look at him walk.
I know. This is hard for me.
We will get answers soon.
I'm trying to be strong.
I know. We both love him.
Urgent. Please check him now.
He hasn't eaten all day.
Let me look at him. Has he eaten anything strange?
Not that we know of.
His temperature is a little high. Is that dangerous? Do you know?
No, it's probably just stress.
Stress? Can that cause this?
Yes, very common in rescue dogs.
That's such a relief, honestly.
Keep him calm and give him love.
The dog finally trusting them.
James, look! He came to me.
Really? He never did that before.
I was just sitting here.
He put his head on you.
I know. I almost cried, James.
This is such a big moment.
He finally feels safe with us.
Look at his eyes. So calm now.
So different from that first night.
It's been worth it, hasn't it?
Yes, every bath and every scare.
Let's see if he follows me.
Go ahead. Let's see now.
Rocky, come here, buddy.
He's getting up to follow you.
He's right beside me now.
He trusts both of us now.
We did this together, Sarah.
I'm proud of him too.
From hiding to following us around.
Ah, patience really pays off, doesn't it?
It does. I'm glad we waited.
He's a different dog now.
Happier and more playful every day.
Watch this. Rocky, want a treat?
Look at his tail, so fast.
He understands us now, James.
This is everything I hoped for.
Same here. We have a family.
We really do. A happy family.
The final decision.
James, I keep thinking about him.
Me too. It was so emotional.
He gave up so much for Rocky.
That takes real love, honestly.
Let's invite him to visit often.
I agree. Rocky needs both families.
Exactly. He brought us all together.
Look at him now, sleeping peacefully.
He has no idea about the chaos.
The baths, the scares, everything.
It was all worth it, though.
Every moment. I wouldn't change anything.
Remember that first scared night?
I sigh quietly, hiding, shaking, not eating at all.
Now look, so confident and happy.
We gave him a second chance.
He gave us love, too, honestly.
That's true. Our home feels different.
More joyful, more full of life.
I can't imagine life without him.
Neither can I. He's family now.
Should we register him tomorrow?
Yes, Rocky, you're officially ours.
Look, his tail is wagging now.
Maybe he understood that, James.
I believe that now, completely.
This journey changed both of us.
It really did, for the better.
I'm grateful we stopped that day.
Best decision we ever made, forever.
Shopping for Rocky. James needs his own things today.
Yes, he cannot use old towels forever.
Look at this dog bed.
It looks soft and warm.
Do you think it is big enough?
Yes, he can stretch out easily.
Good. Rocky deserves a comfortable bed.
He really does after everything.
Now we need food bowls.
One for food, one for water.
These blue bowls look nice.
Blue matches his new collar.
Speaking of collars, look at this one.
It has a small silver tag.
We should write Rocky on it.
And our phone number too.
Yes, just in case.
I never want to lose him.
Me neither. What about toys?
He loves tennis balls.
Then let's get 3.
3, he is lucky.
He missed a lot before.
True, let's spoil him a little.
This chew toy looks strong.
Good, he chews everything lately.
Should we buy treats too?
Yes, for training.
Chicken treats or beef treats?
Chicken, he liked chicken yesterday.
Okay. Bed, bowls, collar, toys, treats.
And shampoo for his next bath.
Oh no, another wet adventure.
Rocky will make us wet again.
Probably, but he is worth it.
Absolutely. Let's pay and go home.
Rocky's first visit to the dog park.
James, Rocky is pulling the leash.
He knows this place is exciting.
Look at all the dogs running.
He looks nervous but curious.
Should we go in slowly?
Yes, let him watch first.
Rocky, it is okay, buddy.
His tail is moving a little.
That is a good sign.
He is looking at that small dog.
The brown one seems friendly.
Let's walk closer, very slowly.
He is not hiding behind me.
That is already progress.
Should we take off the leash?
Maybe in the small dog area first.
Good idea. It feels safer.
Okay, Rocky, go explore.
Look, he's walking by himself.
I almost cannot believe it.
The brown dog is coming over.
Rocky is staying calm.
They are smelling each other.
That looks friendly to me.
Oh, now they are running.
Rocky is actually playing.
I feel so proud of him.
Me too. He has changed so much.
Remember when he hid under the table?
Now look at him chasing a ball.
Should I throw his tennis ball?
Yes, but not too far.
Ready, Rocky? Go get it.
He got it. Good boy.
He brought it back to us.
That means he trusts us.
This is a happy day.
The happiest since we found him.
Let's come here every weekend.
Yes, Rocky needs this joy.